coming in here now, Lavelle? Just now? Your curfew was last night, and you're coming in here now. I'm sitting here washing the dishes that you left in the sink. You don't do your homework. You don't come in for your curfew. You leave the dishes in the sink. Bills are piling up, dude. You need to do something. Do something with your life. What am I gonna do? Just sit here and pay bills, wash dishes while you fool around all day?
Ma, okay? Alright, I'm gonna let you know what I've been doing because I have been secretive around the house.
Yeah, let me know what you've been doing.
I've been at this B4 thing, you know, they're helping me a lot with my music, you know, they're giving me free studio time and free recording time. You know, I ain't paying no money, you know, and it's just like I have been looking for a job, but like I'd rather pursue my dream right now, you know, and I have been going to school. So it's just like this is my dream, this is my passion, and I'd rather get money doing something I love than being a slave, man.
Yeah, slave. Well, I've been slaving around this house, and you better do something with that.
Alright, Mom.
Constantine from B4, trying to be more. B-I-G-B, B-I-G. Focus up, focus. B-I-G-B, B-I-G. Focus, just focus. Open your eyes, think worldwide. Focus on that grand prize. Open your eyes, think worldwide. Don't let the world eat you alive. B-I-G-B, B-I-G. Don't let the world eat you alive. I dream big cause I wanna live large. I wanna be rich and drive fancy cars. In this world, I'ma leave my mark. I stay on go, I'm never on park. I got more bars than a paved phone. I can't hear you, I'm in another zone. I'ma put Boston on the map. I never tell a lie, I stick to the facts. I'm a short guy, but I think worldwide. No matter what you say, can't hurt my pride. In this world, the strong survive. That's why I go the hardest every time. You shine your brightest in the hardest times. Then tell me I'm on the road to greatness. Just have faith and a little patience. Have faith and a little patience. Open your eyes, think worldwide. B-I-G-B, B-I-G. Focus on that grand prize. B-I-G-B, B-I-G. Open your eyes, think worldwide. Don't let the world eat you alive. B-I-G-B, B-I-G. Don't let the world eat you alive. I make what's your art with pen and pad. Got the type of flow to make haters mad. I'm in B4, tryna be more. Remember when family showed support? On the mic, I'm like Jordan on the court. Don't gotta spare to get my point across. I kill comp out with sophisticated bars. Hold up, hold up, hold up. If you wanna, just go and get it. In this world, there is no limit. If you wanna, just go and get it. In this world, there is no limit. Open your eyes, think worldwide. B-I-G-B, B-I-G. Focus on that grand prize. B-I-G-B, B-I-G. Open your eyes, think worldwide. Don't let the world eat you alive. B-I-G-B, B-I-G. Don't let the world eat you alive. One verse from me will end your career. Unlike the rest, I don't live in fear. Fear's not real, it is an option. Save your dough instead of shopping. Fly higher than eagles. Lies you must see through. Don't imitate, just be you. Just be you, just be you. Focus on that grand prize. B-I-G-B, open your eyes, think worldwide. Don't let the world eat you alive. B-I-G-B, don't let the world eat you alive. B4 Records at Teen Empowerment. Before the change, baby.
Yeah, no doubt. TE all day. No doubt. TE all day.
B4 Records.